Hello you beautiful people, it's LIKWID here giving you a warm welcome back or to the channel, and as always I hope you're doing well wherever this video finds you today. Now I visited quite a few aviation museums at this point, and you'll find quite a lot of these videos down below in the aviation playlist which I've recently created here on the channel for you to go through. From the Reptar Aviation Museum in Hungary, to the Belgrade Aeronautical Museum, Duxford in England, as well as a couple more, but here in Scotland we have the National Museum of Flight, which up until recently I had never visited before. So we start here with a walk around video of one of my favourite jets as a kid, in the first few videos to come from that museum. It's located at the iconic East Fortune airfield, which saw extensive action during both World Wars, so the site itself is steeped in history. So we're taking a look at the Sepecat Jaguar here, located in the military hangar. And as much as I loved watching the tornado displays at Lucas Air Show, I had a huge soft spot for the Jag as a kid. It's an aircraft I also hope to one day see make it into the virtual hangars of DCS, and not forgetting the tornado of course. Now you get fantastic access to some of the jets, being able to walk around so close to certain airframes. It really does let you get up close and personal with them. The Jaguar itself was developed in cooperation by both British and French companies, and it served in the close air support and nuclear strike roles. It still serves in the Indian Air Force today, and to be honest, if India was a little closer, it would be great to travel there because honestly, to see one of these beauties fly again would be epic.